Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel guys. Here subscribe and get a notification. So when I upload new videos, it will notify you. Today I am showing how to change Messenger ringing tone. Okay, let's go to Messenger app and you can see right corner our profile. Scroll down and we can see notifications and sound. Tap on that and again notification sound. Tap on that. You can see here which ringtone you want, you can select. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.